Understanding AI in alternate history simulation. AI has revolutionized how we explore history by simulating alternate historical timelines. Using advanced algorithms, machine learning models, and vast historical data, AI can predict how different choices might have changed the course of history. These simulations provide insight into potential outcomes of key events, helping historians, researchers, and enthusiasts analyze historical, what-if, scenarios. Using machine learning to analyze historical patterns. Machine learning, ML, models process vast amounts of historical data to identify patterns and trends. By inputting events, political decisions, economic shifts, and social changes, AI can generate realistic alternate scenarios. For example, ML models can estimate how World War II might have ended differently if certain battles had taken another turn or if leaders had made different choices. Natural language processing for historical narratives. Natural language processing, NLP, allows AI to generate detailed historical narratives based on alternate events. AI models like GPT-4 can construct realistic accounts of how societies, economies, or governments might have evolved under different conditions. By training NLP models on historical texts, these systems can create compelling, historically accurate alternative stories. AI-driven scenario modeling for decision impact analysis. AI scenario modeling helps predict how changes in political, economic, or technological decisions could have reshaped history. For example, AI can simulate how the Industrial Revolution would have developed if renewable energy had been discovered earlier. These models provide valuable insights for understanding cause and effect relationships in historical events. Using AI in gaming and interactive storytelling. AI-driven historical simulations are increasingly used in video games and interactive storytelling. Games like Civilization and Crusader Kings already use AI to generate alternate history paths based on player choices. With more advanced AI, games can create dynamic, evolving timelines, allowing players to experience unique historical scenarios. Deep learning for visualizing alternate timelines. Deep learning techniques, including neural networks, can generate visual representations of alternate historical realities. AI-generated maps, portraits, and cityscapes show what the world might have looked like under different circumstances. For instance, AI can create images of modern-day Rome if the Roman Empire had never fallen, or alternative world maps based on different colonial histories. Historical data simulation with AI models. AI-driven simulations can use statistical models to predict economic trends, population shifts, and political changes in alternate timelines. By feeding historical data into AI systems, researchers can estimate how different policy decisions or wars might have influenced global development. These models can also help explore how technological advancements might have altered history. Ethical considerations in AI-generated alternate history. While AI can create fascinating historical simulations, ethical concerns must be addressed. AI models should avoid reinforcing biases, misrepresenting facts, or promoting misleading historical narratives. Researchers and developers must ensure that AI-generated content is based on credible sources and does not distort history for political or ideological purposes. AI-powered educational tools for alternate history. AI simulations can be used as educational tools, helping students and historians explore history in new ways. Interactive AI models can allow users to test different historical scenarios, improving engagement and critical thinking. These tools can make history more dynamic and accessible by allowing learners to experiment with different historical paths. Conclusion. The future of AI and historical exploration. AI is transforming the study of alternate history by providing new ways to simulate and visualize historical changes. Whether through machine learning, deep learning, or scenario modeling, AI helps us explore how history could have unfolded differently. As technology advances, AI-generated alternate history will continue to offer deeper insights into the past and its many possibilities.